Okay, open up a Word document, and what you can do is after the abstract, what you can do is go to tables, which you don't see here. It's when you go to tables and you insert table of number of columns is 3 and rows is probably like 7 or 8 or 10.
Okay.
And in APA 7, you go table 1 and then there's a title. PA, what you need to do is after you type in, so let's say this is factors, right? That factors that I was telling you about, program 1, program 2. And yeah, tabbing over, there is vision, think mission, let's say strategic plan. Okay, so let's say you have typed everything, right? And then all the other variables. Okay, so I'm just gonna just copy and paste. Let's say these are different variables, okay? To give you, and then I'm just gonna, and then you're gonna copy and paste all the stuff that you found, okay? And what you need to do, the trick is you highlight everything, go to here, and just go to no border. So it lines up like this. And then in APA 7th edition, what you need to do is highlight. You need to have a bottom border and a top border like this. And then you highlight here, and then you do bottom border. And then now it's APA 7th edition.
You know,